What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Beauty by Lydia B here, and tonight I am doing a look featuring the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette. I wanted to do something fun, again, out of the box. I threw on a blue liner. This is the blue that I would use on my brows. So that is the Sugar Pill Cosmetics Magpie pigment with some MAC Fix Plus. I also use the Lorac Pro palette to contour and to use as my eyebrow base. My eyebrows are courtesy of the NYX Gel Liner and Smudger. What else did I use? The Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges again for my hair. Highlighter is O for Rodeo Drive. I didn't do my face on camera, but I'll just share the shit with y'all. And Rose d'Oro Blush by Milani. And I also set my face with the MAC Fix Plus again. Lash mascara, as an FYI, this came in my BoxyCharm for December. It's the Tarte Lash Paint. This is bomb. This is the shit. My lashes look like lashes after one coat. So if you got this, whip that shit out and use it. And I think that's it. My lashes are the House of Lashes Iconic Minis. That is it. So if you like this look, oh shit, I forgot the main thing. The Dose of Colors Katie and Desi collab lip gloss. This is the first time I'm using this on video. I believe it sold out, so I do apologize, but it like went perfect with the gold that's on my lids. My bad, but I love this shit. It looks really, really glossy. So if you like this look and you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching, and thanks for watching your girl, Beauty by Lydia B. Peace.